Good morning, students. My name is Urmi Shah. I am Assistant Professor at LG Institute of Technology. I will be briefing you today regarding subject microcontroller and interfacing. Next module deals with rest all the modules, chapter number 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, all chapters are related to peripheral interfacing. Different peripherals we are going to interface that are listed here. So all the chapters, rest all the chapters are having the interfacing of different peripherals with 8051. So all this timer interfacing, keyboard interfacing, LCD interfacing, motor interfacing, ADC, DAC interfacing. So half of the portion from these chapters we will be seeing the practical applications of 8051 microcontroller by interfacing it with different devices, and we will be seeing the output for those devices. So this
Basics of LCD interfacing. So we'll discuss about 16 by 2 LCD interfacing. 16 by 2 LCD will have two rows, and in each row we can display 16 characters. So in row 1 we can display character 1 to 16, and in second row again we can display characters 16. Now LCD display will have 8-bit data bus. We call it as a D0 to D7. Then it will have a control signal RS. Second control signal is R/W bar, and third signal is enable signal. To change the brightness of this LCD, 10 kilo ohm potentiometer is connected to VCC. So it will have 3 terminals to connect this potentiometer. VCC, variable terminal of potentiometer, is connected to VEE, and the ground terminal of potentiometer is connected to VSS terminal. So generally 10 kilo ohm pot is connected here, and by varying the resistance of this pot we can vary brightness of this LCD. Now about LCD control signals. LCD has two internal resistors. The first resistor is command resistor. In command register, user can store a command such as clear display, display on, cursor on, or select LCD 16 by 2. So such type of commands can be stored in command register of LCD. And second register of LCD is data register. In data register, user has to store ASCII value of character we want to display on LCD screen. Now to select this command register or data register, LCD signal, that is RS terminal, is used. So RS is called as register select terminal. When RS terminal is at logic 0, command register of LCD is selected. And when RS terminal is at logic 1, data register of LCD is selected. So whenever we want to write command or data, first we have to select that register. For example, when we want to write command in command register, the RS terminal must be at logic 0. And when we want to write a data, that means ASCII value of character which we want to display on LCD, then we have to select data register by giving logic 1 signal to RS terminal of LCD. The second control signal used for LCD is R/W bar, that is read-write signal. Generally, we perform a write operation. So when this read-write signal terminal is at logic 0, write operation is performed. That means we can write command or we can write data in command or data register. When it is 1, we can read data from LCD. We can read signals from LCD. Then third terminal or control signal is enable. So whenever we want to latch a data, that means first we'll place a data or command on data bus, that is D0 to D7. After that we have to send enable signal. So enable signal for write operation is high to low pulse. So we have to make this terminal high, and then after some delay or immediately we can send logic 0 pulse on this enable signal. So to write a program for LCD interfacing, first we have to select command register or data register, and we will select it using signal RS. If it is 0, command register is selected and 1 data register is selected. After selecting this register, we have to place data or command on data bus, that is D0 to D7. After placing this, we can select operation, write operation or read operation. And after that, we have to latch this data or command by sending high to low pulse on enable terminal. Number of commands are available for LCD, but generally we use 3 commands. First command is 38H. 38H command is used to select LCD of 2 rows and 5/7 matrix display. That means to display each character on LCD, dot matrix pattern 5/7 is used. The second command we generally use is 0EH. 0EH command is used to display on and cursor on. Third command is 01H, that is to clear display. So before displaying any data on LCD, we can send this command to clear the previous data displayed on the LCD. So generally we use the same sequence when we write a program for LCD. First we'll send 38H, 0EH and then 01H. The next important commands for LCD is related to address of character. As we are discussing about 16/2 LCD, there will be 16 characters that we can display on one row. So each character has given one address. The address of first row start from 80H. So address of this particular character position is 80H, next address is 81H, next address is 82H and so on. The address of first character of second row is C0H, the address of next character is C1H, then C2H and so on. Now to display character at one particular position, first we have to write address of that particular position in command register. For example, suppose I want to display God starting from character 82H, character address 82H. So here I want to display G, then O and then next character position D. So since I want to display first character at this address, the 80H address First we have to write in command register. And then we can send ASCII value of G and we can write it in data register. Now after displaying first character at this address 82H, automatically cursor position will be incremented by 1 and cursor will point to next character position. Now next time no need to give this address, no need to write this address in command register.